Hello, everyone. If you're on the hunt for the best tech gifts that will steal Christmas for this year, you've come to the right place. We've carefully researched and compiled the ultimate list of the best tech gifts that will steal Christmas options, taking into account pricing, performance, and various use cases. Stay tuned to find the perfect tech gifts that will steal Christmas that matches your needs. Don't forget to check out the description box below for product links featuring the best deals available. Our list is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's dive right in and get started. The first one on our list is the Roku F11 Pro 2 drone with 6K camera for adults, 3-axis gimbal, 4K per 30 frames per second video, 70-minute flight time with 2 batteries, 10,000 feet FPV transmission professional drone, auto return, beginner mode. A gift that feels premium. Make his Christmas one to remember. With crisp 6K photos and smooth 4K per 30 frames per second video, the F11 Pro 2 helps him capture backyard moments, weekend rides, and family adventures with a polished, cinematic touch. A thoughtful gift for the man who values quality time. The advanced image sensor lens. F11 Pro 2's premium image sensor lens outshines standard lenses, capturing finer details and richer textures, bringing your world to life with vibrant color and exceptional clarity. Stability. Redefine experience. The advantage of our 3-axis brushless gimbal, which provides superior stability and smoothness. With enhanced wind resistance, you can capture professional-level aerial footage with ease. Extended flight time. Enjoy extended adventures with our drone, featuring 2 batteries that each provide 35 minutes of flight time. That's a total of 70 minutes of exhilarating flying fun on a single outing. Fly smarter, film better. Unlock cinematic possibilities with intelligent GPS flight modes. Whether it's follow me, orbit flight, cruise control, or waypoint planning, these features simplify operation and allow even beginners to capture stunning, professional-level footage. Nighttime adventures. Experience the thrill of night flying with F11 Pro 2 drone's night mode, designed to enhance your aerial adventures after dark. Paired with frame retention technology, it ensures night photography with captivating visuals. Charging reminder. For optimal charging performance, please use the Roku charger. Please avoid using chargers designed for other devices. Please avoid using chargers with an output higher than 12 V. Super long range. Explore the great outdoors like never before with F11 Pro 2's impressive 10,000-foot long-range transmission and stable digital connection. Friendly reminder. Before turning on the drone, please remove the gimbal cover. Starting the drone without removing the cover can cause the gimbal to get stuck during its self-check process, potentially leading to damage. Dedicated support. Premium products deserve reliable care. Enjoy 30-day returns or exchanges, 90-day coverage, and ongoing expert assistance so your high-value product stays protected. The second one on our list is the Insta360 Link 2PTZ 4K webcam for PC/Mac, 1/2-inch sensor, AI tracking, HDR, AI noise-canceling mic, gesture control for streaming, video calls, gaming, works with Zoom, Teams, Twitch and more. Premium image quality. Capture every detail with an impressive 1/2-inch sensor, balanced, true-to-life 4K visuals with HDR and exceptional low-light performance for quality videos in any light. Professional audio experience. Best-in-class audio with advanced AI noise-canceling algorithms. Filter out unwanted background noise for clear communication, even in busy environments. True focus. Keep your audience engaged with faster, more accurate phase detection. Autofocus. No more blurry shots, just fast focusing in crisp video. Natural bokeh. Get a professional look by replicating a DSLR-like depth of field. Provides a realistic and natural bokeh effect, straight from Link controller. AI tracking. Insta360 Link 2 physically pans and tilts to follow your movements around the room, keeping you or your group perfectly in frame. Gesture and remote smartphone control. Control your webcam remotely from your smartphone, or use simple hand gestures to start AI tracking/auto framing. Zoom in or out and activate whiteboard mode. Specialized modes. Adapt to every scenario with versatile modes, including desk view, whiteboard, and 4K portrait mode. Advanced desktop software. Fine-tune settings, access advanced features and personalize your experience with the free dedicated Link controller software. Privacy mode. Insta360 Link 2 automatically tilts down after 10 seconds of inactivity, or you can manually adjust it. Universal compatibility. Fully compatible with all major video conferencing software and live streaming platforms, including Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Twitch and more, for a seamless experience. The third one on our list is the Insta360 Wave AI conference speakerphone, Bluetooth, voice recorder, 8 noise-canceling mics, beamforming, AI transcript and summary, support 99 languages, 32GB storage, podcasts, live streams, premium audio quality equipped with AI audio algorithms. Insta360 Wave eliminates environmental noises, cancels echo and reverberation. Directional pickup employs 5 precision-engineered pickup patterns to get the optimal audio quality for different use and different surroundings. AI recording. Insta360 Wave not only captures voices, it records and remembers. With full internal recording, no matter online or offline, make sure ideas are captured. AI transcription supports transcription in 99 languages, plus get up to 300 minutes transcription and summaries every month free. AI Meeting Assistant integrates with the latest in AI. Get exclusive summaries from meetings, and ask AI for deeper analysis and insight right on the device. Supports Insta360 Link 2 using the latest in Insta360's conferencing ecosystem. Mount Insta360 Link 2 on Insta360 Wave to get a complete audio-visual solution. 3D 8 mic array and 16-foot voice pickup equipped with 8 microphones. Insta360 Wave captures voices up to 16 feet away at a 48 kHz premium sampling rate. Dedicated Insta360 Insight Web App. The Insight Web App is your all-in-one hub for seamless recording management. Centralize your audio and get AI-powered insights. Easily share summaries and never miss any detail. Versatile connectivity. Choose from multiple connection options, USB cable, Bluetooth, or dongle, for seamless setup and flexibility in any environment. Flexible plans. Once you activate your Wave, you'll get a free plan with 300 monthly transcription minutes and free summaries. Need more? Subscribe to the Insight Pro plan for $8.33 per month annually. It includes 1,200 minutes, Ask AI, and advanced features to take productivity to the next level. The 4th on our list is the Logitech MX Master 4, ergonomic wireless mouse with advanced performance haptic feedback, ultra-fast scrolling, USB-C charging, Bluetooth, Windows, macOS, pale gray, precision. You can feel with the haptic sense panel, customizable haptic feedback on specific actions, shortcuts, notifications, enhancing productivity on this wireless Bluetooth mouse. Effortlessly access favorite tools with Actions Ring on this MX series mouse. A dynamic, customizable overlay adapts to each app, placing most used filters, adjustments, and shortcuts at your cursor. Scroll 1000 lines per second and stop on a pixel with the Mag Speed scroll wheel. Logitech's fastest, quietest, and most precise scrolling experience. Enjoy 2x more powerful connectivity with a USB-C dongle, advanced radio chip, and optimized antenna for faster, stronger, reliable performance, or use Bluetooth for more versatility. Ergonomic mouse designed for comfort. MX Master 4 keeps you in flow with a natural tilt. Intuitive buttons, and a thumb scroll wheel that reduces hand stress for fluid navigation. Quiet clicks on MX Master 4 reduce noise and distractions, offering a soft, satisfying feel with 90% less click noise. Perfect for focused workflows. Get a complimentary 1-month Adobe Creative Cloud subscription with your purchase of MX Master 4. Designed for a positive future. Plastic parts include recycled plastic, 54% graphite, 48% pale gray, 100% recycled cobalt in the battery, built to last with improved stain resistance. The 5th on our list is the Atom Elements USB-C Stand Pro / Laptop Docking Station, Hub Stand Pro 6-in-1 Multiport Stand Hub for M2/M1 Mac, iPad and laptop series. 3 smart and useful designs. Right angle cable. The right angle cable reduces the pressure caused by pulling and provides a tighter connection between different devices. Anti-slip silicone pads. Extended silicone rubber pads on the surface and bottom add more friction for the stability and safety of the laptop and the stand. Solid aluminum body. The sleek, lightweight, and durable all-aluminum design with premium craftsmanship complement your daily experience. PD fast charging. The USB-C port supports fast charging power delivery, allowing up to 100 W of power to pass through.